What's happening, guys? Nomad Steve here. I am in sunny Bangkok, competition time. So I'm going to be giving one of my lucky subscribers a chance to win something amazing, okay? But you have to subscribe. So while you watch this video, you might as well stop now, click subscribe, hit the notification bell, because in the next couple of days I'm going to drop a few bombshells. One is the competition. I'll tell you all about that shortly. But what we're going to be doing is interviewing 3 digital nomads from 3 different places around the world. One being Tunisia, one being Sweden, and one being the USA. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you how much they earn, and then most of all I'm going to disclose how much I earn, which will blow your mind. So keep tuned for that in the next couple of days. That's why you got to subscribe. And now what you're more waiting for is the competition. So I've had quite a few of you reaching out to me lately, wanting to know how I've done it, how much I earn, all the details about being digital nomad, what a daily life's like, and all these different things. And obviously watching the vlog you get some ideas, but I've only just started this part. 2 is just come and experience it for yourself. So it's going to be free to enter because Thailand has strict gambling laws and it classes as a lottery. I've done all my homework to make sure. So it's going to be free to enter. You have to be a subscriber. Once I reach 5, get a chance to come out here. Fully paid flights, VIP chauffeur service from the airport, along with all your accommodation sorted, and also 2 weeks full spending money, along with spending a couple of days. If you want to, you can use it as a holiday, or you can come and experience what I do, show you how to do certain things. And if you wanted to make a career of it, I would even consider helping you down the line as part of one of my other programs and communities that I'm building over here. So if you're interested in becoming a digital nomad, you think the idea of this life, or you're just fed up completely with where you live in, your routine, okay, just get in touch with me. We can have a chat, comment below, let me know where you're from, and yeah, get ready to enter this free competition for the digital nomad experience, worth around £3,500–4,000 or $5,000 US. So along with all the knowledge that I've gained and skills. So yeah, hit that subscribe button again, the notification bell, and stay tuned for the next couple of days, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.